Welcome to my channel. Building muscle without weights is possible by utilizing bodyweight exercises, such as push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks, to challenge and strengthen your muscles. Incorporating calisthenics, plyometrics, resistance bands, yoga, and Pilates can further enhance muscle engagement. High-intensity interval training, height, outdoor activities, and progressive overload are effective strategies. By focusing on proper form, increasing difficulty gradually, and maintaining consistency, you can build muscle and improve strength without the need for traditional weights. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Progressive overload. Progressive overload is a fundamental principle in building muscle and strength. It involves gradually increasing the demands placed on the muscles over time to stimulate growth. This can be achieved by adding more repetitions, sets, or weight to exercises, or by progressing to more challenging variations. By consistently challenging your muscles with increased resistance, you create an adaptive response that leads to muscle growth and strength gains. Progressive overload is a key component in any effective muscle building program, helping you continuously push your limits and achieve your fitness goals. Number 9. Outdoor activities. Outdoor activities offer a unique and enjoyable way to improve fitness and build muscle. Engaging in activities such as hiking, trail running, cycling, swimming, or rock climbing not only provide physical challenges, but also expose you to fresh air and natural environments. The varied terrain and elements encountered outdoors also add an element of unpredictability, engaging stability muscles and promoting balance. Embrace the outdoors to elevate your fitness level while enjoying the beauty of nature. Number 8. High-intensity interval training, height. High-intensity interval training, height, is a powerful workout technique that involves alternating between short bursts of intense exercise and brief recovery periods. This approach effectively challenges the cardiovascular system and stimulates muscle growth. Height workouts can be adapted to various exercises such as sprints, jumping jacks, or burpees. The intensity and duration of each interval can be modified based on individual fitness levels. Height not only burns calories during the workout, but also elevates the metabolism, promoting continued calorie burning post-workout. Number 7. Suspension training. Suspension training is a highly effective and versatile form of exercise that utilizes ropes, straps, or bands to suspend the body and create resistance. This innovative training method engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, providing a full-body workout. The adjustable nature of the equipment allows individuals of all fitness levels to customize the intensity of their workouts. Suspension training is portable and can be done anywhere, making it a popular choice for individuals seeking a convenient and efficient way to stay fit and build functional strength. Number 6. Isometric exercises. Isometric exercises involve static muscle contractions without joint movement. They are a valuable addition to any fitness routine, offering numerous benefits. By holding a position for a specific period, isometric exercises target specific muscle groups, increasing strength and endurance. These exercises can be done using body weight or props like resistance bands or walls. Isometric exercises are low impact, reducing strain on joints while improving stability and posture. They require minimal space and equipment, making them ideal for home workouts or office breaks. Incorporating isometric exercises into a fitness regimen can enhance muscle tone, increase muscular endurance, and contribute to overall physical well-being. Number 5. Yoga and Pilates. Yoga and Pilates are both popular mind-body practices that promote physical and mental well-being. Yoga encompasses a wide range of disciplines, including physical postures, asanas, breath control, pranayama, and meditation. It emphasizes flexibility, strength, balance, and relaxation. It often incorporates specialized equipment like reformers and resistance bands. Both practices improve posture, enhance flexibility, build muscular strength, and foster mindfulness. While yoga emphasizes spiritual and meditative aspects, Pilates emphasizes precision and control. Both disciplines offer unique benefits and can be adapted to suit various fitness levels and goals. Number 4. Resistance bands. Resistance bands are versatile and effective tools used for strength training and rehabilitation exercises. Made of elastic material, they provide resistance in various directions and intensities, allowing for a wide range of exercises targeting different muscle groups. The bands are portable, lightweight, and easy to store, making them suitable for home workouts or on-the-go training. They can be used to increase muscle strength, improve flexibility, and enhance overall fitness. Resistance bands are also gentle on joints, making them a popular choice for injury rehabilitation and physical therapy. From beginners to advanced fitness enthusiasts, resistance bands offer a convenient and efficient way to add resistance and variety to any workout routine. Number 3. Plyometrics. Plyometrics, also known as jump training or explosive training, is a dynamic form of exercise that focuses on rapid and powerful movements. It involves quick and explosive muscle contractions, followed by rapid stretching of those same muscles. Plyometric exercises are designed to improve power, speed, and agility by targeting the stretch-shortening cycle of the muscles. Examples of plyometric exercises include box jumps, depth jumps, and squat jumps. By engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously and challenging the body's ability to generate force, plyometrics enhance athletic performance, increase muscular power, and improve overall coordination. It is important to perform plyometric exercises with proper form and gradually progress the intensity to minimize the risk of injury. Number 2. Calisthenics. Calisthenics is a form of exercise that utilizes body weight movements to build strength, endurance, and flexibility. It focuses on movements like push-ups, pull-ups, squats, lunges, and planks, among others. Calisthenics exercises can be performed anywhere, without the need for equipment, making them accessible and convenient. They engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, promoting functional strength and coordination. Calisthenics workouts can be tailored to individual fitness levels, allowing for gradual progression and adaptation. This form of exercise not only builds muscular strength and endurance, but also improves cardiovascular fitness and body control. Calisthenics is a versatile and effective way to improve overall fitness and body composition. Number 1. Bodyweight exercises. Bodyweight exercises refer to exercises that use the individual's body weight as resistance, without the need for additional equipment or weights. These exercises utilize movements such as push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, and burpees, among others. They are versatile, accessible, and can be performed anywhere, making them popular for home workouts or outdoor training. Bodyweight exercises improve strength, endurance, flexibility, and coordination. They engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, promoting functional movements and overall fitness. Additionally, bodyweight exercises can be modified to suit various fitness levels, allowing individuals to progress and challenge themselves over time. Incorporating bodyweight exercises into a fitness routine can lead to improved body composition, increased muscular strength, and enhanced physical performance. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.